Today's video is a 2-minute tip about this gadget here. When I come across a tool or a gadget like this one that I like, I got to share it with you. I found this on Amazon and I was so intrigued that I had to purchase it. And when I actually started to use it, I realized, wow, this is something else. I got to share this with my community, and that's what today's video is about. So why don't we jump right into it? We've all been there. We've stuck that box of baking soda in the back of the refrigerator, hoping that it would absorb like really funky smells, right? But for me, it's never worked. So I want to turn you on to a cool gadget that I recently found. And what it is it actually eliminates odors at a molecular level. Unlike, baking soda, it's just absorbing, odor molecules that are floating around in your refrigerator. But this, it uses advanced nano-mineral technology to break those molecules down at an atomic level. So there's some science here, okay? It's not just for your refrigerator. You can use this thing anywhere. You can use it in your gym bag, in your locker, in your car. Because sometimes I pick up fast food and the car smells like fast food for a couple days. Eliminates those odors. Tuck it in the bathroom. Anywhere where you're a little concerned about odors. This thing does a phenomenal job. But check this out. When you stick baking soda in a refrigerator, you got to change it out every 30 days. This lasts for 10 years. Actually, it probably lasts longer than your refrigerator. It also helps slow down food spoilage by reducing ethylene gas, the stuff that makes fruits and vegetables ripen too fast. I'll place a link in the description below, so, you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.